This is my 1972 Alfa Romeo GTV 2000. I've been working on it for the last few months, and one project I've wanted to do is upgrade the exhaust to hear more of that beautiful four-cylinder engine. Centerline has a bolt-on replacement rear section without the rear muffler. It costs about $120 and requires only doing 4 bolts, while keeping the exhaust headers and middle resonator in place. With this simple modification, I was hoping to get more of that punchy, buzzy tone at high revs without too much of a loud drone for normal driving, like on the freeway. Okay, I've got the car all chalked up. Gonna see if we can replace this exhaust.
1, 2, 3, 4. That looks pretty new. So I don't know if that's been replaced, but this looks pretty old. Okay. One very stubborn bolt later.
Okay, here you can see the difference between the two exhausts. Same kind of bend in here. Comes with this new kind of gasket flange on there, and then yeah, just no rear muffler. It's got this nice kind of flared pipe at the bottom. I'm gonna slap that bad boy in here. Now here are before and after shots, so you can hear the difference between the stock and their Centerline exhaust. Overall, I love how the Centerline exhaust sounds. I wasn't expecting the lowered rumble at idle, but I think it sounds great. I love the louder, punchy notes at high revs, and it's not too loud for everyday driving. But let me know what you guys think.